Hello YouTube, this is Drew coming back with another dashcam drive through a town in South Carolina today. Today we are visiting the county seat of Newberry County, Newberry. So this will be Newberry, South Carolina, and the first third of the video and the first third of the video and the third of the video are in double speed. The middle of the video is in regular speed. And I'm just going to put some music on real quick, and whenever it gets to the point to where we're not in double speed anymore, I will talk. Well, if you've made it this far into the video, we have officially made it to downtown Newberry. Notice the brick streets we're driving on and the mural to the left. I believe that is the Opera House to the right. You don't really get a good view of it in this video. I could be wrong too. In the two courthouses to the left, I'm assuming that's one is the or maybe one's City Hall and one's the county courthouse. I'm assuming there. But I didn't even know there was an opera house here till I did, but I had forgotten about it when I was visiting. It's in a little bit of a hurry, even though I think I did a good job of getting a lot of Newberry. There's one of those courthouses I was talking about to the right there. But anyway, until I was on my way home, and I saw a billboard advertising the Opry House. I was like, oh, I forgot about that. Should have got that on my video. And I think I actually did. Not 100%. First time I've ever been here. So I didn't know the lay of the land, as they say. Anyway, I think one of the stores I saw around here was like Lindsay Furniture or something to the right. A bunch of older houses. Newberry definitely felt a little bit stuck in time, or I don't want to say lost in time, but just like a time lapse or time. Yeah, I don't know. Time lapse isn't the right word either. Time loop. Trying to think. Oh, and so basically in 2000, 2010, 2020, they've had 10,000 people living in Newberry. Not 11, not 12, not 9, but 10,000. So it's kind of interesting as well. And up here to the right is Newberry College, a Lutheran private college, and it is, I guess, the pride of Newberry. The Newberry Wolves play football here. Football stadium is going to be to the right about now, if you can kind of see it over there. But anyway, guys, this is Newberry, South Carolina. There's still over a minute left of the video. There it is. There's the football field to the right. but I'm going to stop talking and put some more music on, and I hope you guys enjoy Newberry, South Carolina.